Hello and welcome to Inside China Today. I'm Tara Sunderland and here are some of the stories we're following for Wednesday, July 22nd. China's president warns cities on the Yangtze River to brace for flooding. Foreign reserves indicate a drop in June, and Taiwan's long-delayed futures market opens its doors for trading. Chinese President Jiang Zemin warns cities along the Yangtze River to brace for additional flooding, the People's Daily reported Wednesday. Heavy rains in the central Hubei and Hunan provinces Tuesday caused a third flood peak, threatening Hubei's provincial capital, Wuhan. The floods are the worst in living memory for many of the region's residents, the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies said Monday. The flood death toll has topped 1,000, and more than 9 million hectares of crops have been destroyed. For more, see Inside China Today's top stories. China's foreign reserves dropped in June due to a drop in confidence in the yuan, officials said Wednesday. Reserves have dropped approximately $410 million since May. Last year, Beijing selected large trading firms and permitted them to keep up to 15% of their hard currency earnings. The Asian financial crisis has increased expectations the yuan will be devalued. As a result, companies are reluctant to sell their export income to banks, an economist at China's State Information Center said. Experts estimate trading firms are holding at least $20 billion in hard currency. An attempt to devalue the yuan would not help China's exporters, a World Bank official said Wednesday. A devaluation of China's currency could cause a parallel devaluation from other countries, Joseph Stiglitz, the bank's chief economist, said. A further weakening in Asian economies and currencies would damage the region's export potential for Chinese products, he said. Stiglitz met with top policymakers and Chinese Prime Minister Zhu Rongji during a 7-day trip to China. Acknowledging probable defeat, U.S. opponents to most favored nation trade status for China vowed Tuesday to keep up the fight. Quote, "We will continue this fight as long as it takes," said U.S. Representative Nancy Pelosi, a California Democrat. The House of Representatives will vote Wednesday on whether to back U.S. President Bill Clinton's decision to renew the status. The MFN debate is an annual battle in Congress between members who argue for engagement with China and those who stress trade relations should be tied to human rights. An elimination of MFN would increase tariffs on Chinese exports to the U.S. to 40% from the current level of approximately 6%. Taiwan's long-delayed futures market opened its doors for trading Tuesday. The new Taiwan International Mercantile Exchange market got off to a slow start, with only 3 March 1999 lots being traded. Experts predict trading will increase to 5,000 lots a day and could reach 30 to 50,000 within 6 months. Anti-speculative rules, which prohibit banks and local stock mutual funds from trading, at least initially, were laid down late Monday evening. The market's opening was delayed for years due to bureaucratic red tape and the image that futures exchange amounted to little more than gambling. And now for a look at Thursday's weather. Thunderstorms are possible in Beijing. Daytime highs will reach 81 with overnight lows dropping to 66 degrees. It will be cloudy with a chance of showers in Shanghai. Daytime highs will reach 84 with overnight lows dropping to 75. There will be thunderstorms in Hong Kong. The daytime highs will reach 87 with overnight lows dropping to 81. There will be partly cloudy skies over Taipei. Daytime highs will reach 90 degrees with overnight lows dropping to 82. And that's Inside China Today. For the European Internet Network, I'm Tara Sunderland.